this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your Samsung phone. So the first way you can do it is just swipe on down from the top. And we might be able to find a screen recording option under here, one of these widgets. So if we can't find it, we can just go to the edit option, go to edit here. And then we can go through these different little widgets on the bottom. So if you don't have it, however, you have to download something from the store. So I don't see any option here. All you have to do is just tap it, and it should go to the top and go to done. And then you can just use the built-in screen recorder, and it works. Or you can just go to settings right here and try searching for it. Now I don't see anything when I do this on my phone screen record. Nothing pops up. So unfortunately I have to go to the Google Play Store, and I have to go to search screen recorder. And there's a few of them on here. Most of them are just going to be bloated with ads, and they're super annoying. I wish they would get rid of stuff like that. So I just downloaded this one. I've tried this one in the past, AZ Recorder. Just download it, open it up, and then you gotta accept some permissions on your phone. But sometimes these can be a little bit nice because you can include your camera and stuff too. So you can see my camera on here. So if you want to make some YouTube videos or something, you know, this could be good. And then you're going to have this little thing on the side that pops up. You can go live, record, or you can just hit this button down here. So you can just drag this and remove it from your screen if you don't want to see it. And then all we have to do is swipe down from the top left. You can see I can start it or exit it right here. And there's some options for tools. So you can move my face, so we can turn off the camera. We don't want that on. So let's start recording. So we can choose our entire screen, share screen. And I would avoid using this app as much as you can. So you can start recording now. I believe the microphone is on in the top right. So you can come back here and press this button to stop. Or you can just go down to the top left and you can just press stop right here or pause. So we can go to pause. And then we can look at the tools. We want to include one of these, and then we can just completely stop it. So you can look at that. Now, I would avoid using this app. Just go to your gallery and you should be able to see it under here. So here it is. Start recording now. I believe the microphone's in there too. And here's another one I did. I was just looking at everything. So it does work. Avoid using the app as much as you can because of the ads. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.